Hi, I'm Mattias. I'm a financial accountant working for Red Noses International. Red Noses International is an artistic organization that brings humor and laughter to people in need of joy. We are now one of the biggest healthcare clowning organization in the world. We are operating in 11 different countries. All partner organizations have to submit quarterly reports to the management of the international office. We provided reporting templates for them. People who are actually using the reports, it took them more time to prepare the reports than they had time to analyze it. The senior management team was not able to have a total overview of the reports. They would have to open individual Excel files in order to get the information that they need. And these templates had various sheets. If you change something, it refers also to other sheets and you could mess up very quickly. And that's why nobody wanted to touch these sheets anymore that were already set up, 10 years ago or something like this. And we didn't really adapt to our current organizational structure. So that's why we wanted to find a solution for that. What made us choose Acterys? It has these Writeback engines where you could basically set up a planning tool, the Acterys Excel add-in, where we could do bulk uploads from Excel sheets to the database. So this was also a major part, I would say. They have own visuals that you can use in Power BI, where you can then write back data to the database. They can have reports and switch from countries within a click. It also helped us for preparing the new strategy. The partner organizations can now also, if they want, see the reports on a local level. The data we generate is now scalable and we could really see the impact we have. Before, it took them 3 to 4 days to prepare the data for the reports, and now it takes them 2 hours to prepare them. We see what's possible now. We set now the foundation for the next steps. I'm very happy that we decided to use Acterys as a solution for our reporting system. Sky is the limit, so we already have new ideas what we maybe can do with it, and so it's an interesting journey, I would say.